Welcome to the BULK SMS training video. In this video, we're going to do an overview of setting up a BULK SMS job on the platform. To begin, select BULK SMS from the Jobs menu on the left-hand side of the platform. Choose the green plus icon in the upper right-hand corner to bring up the BULK SMS job creation wizard. Step 1 is General Settings. Here is where you'll be asked to enter a job name to help you identify your job. You'll also be asked to include the message text that you intend to send to your clients. You can include dynamic data in the fields of your message, such as the name of the client you're reaching out to, their address, or their email. It's important to note, though, if you are going to be using dynamic data, you must be sure that the data field you place in your message is also mapped when you upload your phone list in the coming steps. One SMS segment is up to 160 characters and will require the word stop as part of your opt-out language in your message. Be sure to set the per-minute rate that your BULK SMS job should deliver at. The system should show you an estimate of how many messages would be delivered in that time. Let's try and create a job very quickly. My job name will be Job 1. My message text will be hello. And I want to include a dynamic tag here of the first name. If you would like to opt out of messaging, please reply with the word stop. Simple as that. Okay, I've got 15 every 15 minutes or 60 per hour for my BULK SMS rate. When you're done your general settings, click Continue to move on. Step 2 is Delivery Schedule. Next, we need to configure the schedule for delivering your message. The start date is where you indicate the day you want your BULK SMS job to start running on. Likewise, the end date will be the final day the BULK SMS job will run. So for example, I want my job to start on, let's say tomorrow, the 4th, and run for a week until the 11th. You can drag the sliders for the start and end time of each day of the week you will be running your SMS job. You can click the X to close your BULK SMS job on that particular day of the week. Clicking the check mark will reopen this day for delivery of your message. Make sure you review your start and end dates as well as the time zone setting and schedule for each day of the week for accuracy before clicking Continue. Finally, we need to assign a list of leads that will be delivering your BULK SMS message. Please ensure you have your list ready to go before proceeding. Your spreadsheet will need to be saved as a CSV file. On the left-hand side, under Available Phone Lists, you will see any phone list that you have already loaded in and compatible with SMS service. To load a new phone list for this BULK SMS job, select the green plus button to bring up the Phone List Manager. I'm going to create my new list name. I'm going to call it List 2, and I've already created my file. Testdata.csv, very important. When you have your file loaded in, click Continue to add it to your available phone lists. But before you can do that, you need to map the data in your list. The phone list mapping section is where you tell the system where each column in the phone list is located. To do so, just click and drag the destination name you wish to include for this file under Available System Columns. So I'm going to drag my columns in here: first name, last name, phone number, lead phone, address. Boom, simple. Please note that the lead phone destination is the only required field to be mapped. Any other destinations you map are for your own record-keeping options and will appear in the reports you can run later on. As previously mentioned, the information you map here can be used as dynamic data variables to be inserted into your message. Click Finish at the top right when done mapping. The list is now being uploaded into the system and will reflect how many leads were loaded into the system and ready to go. Because I'm using test data, I have no leads at the moment. Once the list has finished being uploaded, you can click Assign beside the lists you wish to use for this bulk SMS and click Finish at the top right. After you click Finish, the job will be created and you will be routed to the job configuration page. On this page, you have the ability to make any changes you would like to the job. If you would like to set the job to active, you will need to click on the toggle on the left-hand side that is currently set to inactive and then click the Save button. Below the toggle, you will see three options. The first option is Settings, which is where you can view and make changes to your job. The second option is Stats and Reporting. You can use this page to track how your job is doing for the day or even how it did in the past by changing the date range. If you'd like to see all your bulk SMS jobs, click on Bulk SMS on the left-hand side. This is where you can see all of your jobs that are currently paused, active, or have previously ended. You now know how to set up a bulk SMS job. Thank you and have a great day.